In this brief tutorial, we're going to go over how to add a link for a file that's stored in File Manager to a web page or a news story or any place else that you use the editor to add custom text. So let's make sure you're logged in as the admin. And now what we'll do is we'll first go to the File Manager to upload a sample document. So we go to the admin page, we click on the File Manager icon, and then we'll say upload. Now I'll choose a file. I'm going to choose a sample PDF file. I'm going to save it. So now that's being uploaded, and when it finishes we can see that it is right here, sample document PDF. To copy a link to this file, you can do one of two things. You can either right click on this icon and select copy link from this menu to put a link to this file on your clipboard so you can use it later. Sometimes in this pop-up menu it will say copy URL or copy link address or copy link URL, but there'll always be an option to allow you to copy the link. So I can click that, and now the link to this file is on the clipboard. Another option is I can click on the edit button to edit this, and you'll see I have a link listed here, which again I can right click on and say copy link, or I could even highlight it, select it, and copy it. Any way that works for you, that is the link you need. So now let's go to the news function, and here let's add a new news story. So we'll go in here and click new, and then I'm just going to put news story with document link. Okay, and I'm going to enter some text. Here is the story, and here is the document. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the word document because that's the word I want to be the clickable link when people view this story, the link that takes them to that PDF file in File Manager. Once I've selected the text that I want to be a link, I look for this button, the Insert Edit Link button, click it, and now it's asking for a URL. This is where you want it to take people when they click on the link. So now I can paste my link to my File Manager file in there, and I can just leave the rest of these fields as they are. Click Save, and now you can see it's become a clickable link. So let's go ahead and save this. And there's our news story in the admin listing. Let's go up to the actual news listing that your members would see. And here you can see the text of the story, and there's that clickable link. So if I click on it, it will open the document in the browser. Sometimes with PDFs, they may open outside the browser. That's dependent on the user's computer and their browser settings, and which application they may have set up to read PDFs. Some browsers will read PDFs natively, like Edge and Chrome. Others may have an external application. But in either case, you can see it makes the Word document that we set up as the link to be a link to open that document from File Manager. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you very much for watching.